Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on overlay screens, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, come here to show in call overlay for non-contacts. Just click in this sign here. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean here show in call overlay for non-contacts enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.